Hello, I'm Bob McNichol, one of the shepherds here at Netherwood Park, Church of Christ. The elders have put together a message to our members, and I'd like to read to you what we've discussed and want to share with you. As elders of this congregation, we so appreciate how you've remained faithful to God and the church family during this pandemic. Your ability to be flexible and remain positive has been a blessing for us all. With the situation changing almost daily, we feel an even stronger need to stay in touch with you about our plans and our goals. The elders and ministers continue to share among ourselves information from both governmental authorities and various Christian organizations. Until state and local leaders make a final determination as to requirements and timing, much of our planning remains in flux. There are, however, a few thoughts that we would like to share concerning what to expect when our initial worship services begin once the government allows for public assemblies to start again. Your church leadership will continue to watch out, not only to follow the experts and government guidance on keeping our flock safe, especially those most vulnerable, but we also look to create the most worshipful atmosphere in our new reality. At the beginning, things will not look like they did before the onset of COVID and the ongoing restrictions. Below are only a handful of questions that must be considered. With likely assembly size restrictions, how many services would be necessary? How do we properly sanitize the building between these services? How does social distancing work, and can a truly worshipful atmosphere be maintained if our members are spread out throughout the meeting place? Are masks required? And how does that decision affect the health and the worship experience of our members? How do we conduct our communion service? With certainty, our initial gatherings will be affected by restrictions on physical interactions, the unavailability of Bible classes and nursery services, and the broader effect of social distancing guidelines. Thank you for the way that you've handled these challenging times. While this time has been hard on our ability to enjoy our personal fellowship and interactions, in many ways, the church has thrived and grown. Please be in prayer for us, the shepherds of the flock. We want to be wise stewards of all the blessings God has given us, that being chiefly you, our church family. We love and we appreciate you all, the elders.